The new year is just around the corner, and that means a whole new year of sewing.
We have our biggest sale of the year to help you stock up on all your sewing needs.
Hi, it's Donna Robertson.
And Fran Morgan with Fabric Café.
There's something about the new year that just makes you want to sew.
You finished your Christmas gifts, and now you can work on new and exciting projects.
We have a great deal to help you stock up on all your sewing needs and start the new year fresh.
Everything is 15% off site-wide. The sale runs from today until December 29th.
And the discount will automatically be applied at checkout, so there's no need for a coupon code.
This is a great time to snag those quilt kits you've had your eye on, or maybe the latest book.
Let's take a look at some of these fantastic kits and patterns that you can grab for a great deal. Patriotic Pride. It's such a great quilt. It has a large focus square and it can use directional fabric. The pattern would be fun to use with layer cakes. So if you've got some of those layer cakes, then you could use them in the squares. You just have to cut them down a tiny little bit. And this quilt measures 40 by 58 when you get it all finished. We have some great movement with our stars and stripes. I love this block. It has so much movement in it. And it is a great quilt for patriotic prints like we have here. But you know what? It'd look great in florals, colors. It would be great in summer or spring, any kind of style, even space theme. But let's put it on the table and we'll get a little closer look at it. So we've got this great floral, and that floral is going to be in every place that you see the big block. And of course, for an easy quilt, one block is a big square. So
that is easy.
And then for our stars, we wanted to kind of jazz them up a little bit.
Yeah.
So it's fun because we didn't have a boring number 2.
I love that.
Yes, so we got a little vine going on here with the blue and the white, and that's going to go everywhere that you see here.
And you know, this is so cool too, because this block is made up of like 4 units here. And I love quilts like that because you can make each little piece and you feel so accomplished.
Yeah, it's almost like, oh, I just made a block.
Yes, it's so fun.
I
and
liked
that's
it too.
gorgeous in there.
Yeah, so it has a lot of movement in that block too. I really like that because your eye just travels around.
Yeah.
Now we needed a nice solid color to kind of tie it all together because a third busy fabric wouldn't have worked in this case.
Correct.
But
Yes.
it's perfect when we use this beautiful, it is a textured fabric. It's kind of like tooled leather, and that is going to go every place that you see the red. Now, the great thing about 3-yard quilts is that any 3 yards will work with any of our 3-yard patterns.
So if you're liking this fabric, but you want to put it in a different pattern, then no problem. You can pick any of our 3-yard patterns.
Let's take a look at some of the examples.
Ooh, okay. We have our Patriotic Pride up there, which I think is amazing.
It is.
But
Rochester, which is actually a panel quilt that you can use 3 yards in, and I like that one a lot.
I love the way the really large block showcases our focus fabric in this case. And then the in-between blocks, those alternate blocks, have enough interest to just really set off your focus.
Yeah.
It's great.
I love it. And then so fast.
So fast, yes.
That's the one that you go to if you really are in a hurry and you want to get a last minute quilt done.
Yes.
That's the one,
Yes.
So fast.
And I love this fabric in So Fast because the number 2 has some interest, so it fills that block nicely, but you still see a really nice bit of that focus fabric.
Yeah, and then the movement comes with making exactly the same block and just turning every other block.
That's great.
So how's that for fast? Because
Love
you
it.
can get into the rhythm in a hurry
Yes.
in this one. Now, the kit information on this one is called Victory Garden, and it's the Patriotic Pride pattern.
Now this is the Tumbler quilt, and it's a 1-block quilt. You actually make units and then put them together to make your block. So actually the block is right here. It's quite large. It's made up of 4 units, as you see here, and the units are simply exactly the same, but you switch the color placement out. So we have different colors in this unit as to this unit. Then we rotate those units together, put them together, and we make this really great big block. Now this is gonna go really fast because you know, like with a 1 block, if you've got the units that are all exactly the same, that also speeds it up so fast. These are great big half square triangles. They're gonna go together in a flash, and there's just a handful of them. There's just a few, so they're going to go fast. Now, all of these half-square triangles and units come together to make a quilt that is 40 by 57, which is really a nice size. So let's get it on the table and check out the fabric. You know, if you're just starting out making half-square triangles, this would be a really good one because these are a nice size and it's really easy to put together and all those things. Now, when we look at our fabric here, we have a focus fabric with all these words on it, and I love this. And you know, I love fabric with words when you're giving a gift quilt.
Yes.
Because I think it conveys even more, and I think it's so cute. This one is great because it's also tossed, so that means the words go all different directions.
Yes.
So you don't have to worry about directional fabric at all. In this quilt, we have to use a toss print because our units are rotated to make our blocks.
Good point.
So
yeah.
this is great. I love it. And you can see it here in this half-square triangle, and then it's on the border on this one, and then a little bit of the border of the quilt.
It's the perfect quilt to say it with a quilt.
Say it with a quilt. That's right. I love that. It's really good. Okay, for our number 2, we need high contrast so our multicolored diamond here shows up. But there's also a big space here, so we didn't want to just go plain. So we picked up a smaller print, the little star in the red on the white background that pulls all the reds from our focus and our number 3.
I love the dynamic stars in this particular print. They're not static at all.
They're like,
they're all different. They look like they're jumping for joy. Or maybe they're just twinkling, but they look different sizes.
So stinking cute. It is so,
really
so cute. So then our number 3 fabric is this really darling peppermint fabric. Now these are green peppermints on the red background. This is great because it's kind of the opposite colorway as our focus, and it really gives us the contrast that we need for this so that all of this pattern really shows up and pops like we want it to. Now, we don't just have kits online, we also have many of our fabrics available by the yard.
And you know, this is a great place to look if you're wanting to pick out a backing or maybe a little additional fabric for a border or a larger binding.
Yes, I think that's great. Now, in this case, we have our peppermint fabric, our number 3 fabric by the yard. I think this would be the most adorable backing for this quilt.
It would be perfect.
It would be so
Absolutely.
sweet. Or another Christmas quilt. I just think it's such a great fabric. And don't forget, right now, you can get 15% off of this fabric and everything else site-wide.
That's right. So all you have to do is just look under the fabric tab and voila, you're going to get a great deal.
There it is. Now let's get you the kit information on this. It is called Peppermint Twist, and it's the Tumbler quilt from 1 Block 3-Yard Quilts.
You know, we have even more great backing options available in our By the Yard section, and we wanted to share a few more. So if you want to really take advantage of great pricing right now, these are where you want to go because you always have to buy so much for your backings.
That's right. Now these are some great textural prints that are perfect for backings. They have some great highs and lows, meaning there's some dark parts and some light parts, and the colors so that it makes them pair really, really well with lots of different fabrics.
Right. These fabrics are extra special too. They're already marked down. Plus, you can take that extra 15% off with this sale.
Yes. Now we have these fabrics and more, so it's a great time to stock up on backings.
Now up next is Fun Times, and this quilt is 44 by 60. And guess what? It's all made with strip assembly units. You make strip assemblies, you cut the blocks, and then you alternate those to get this great vertical movement down your quilt. And this pattern works really well with small prints, batiks, or even solids because there's so much movement in the quilt, then you can get away with those smaller prints in each one of those pieces. Now let's put it on the table and we'll look at some gorgeous batiks. You know, I like batiks a lot, but I still remember I had to go to Fran whenever I first started working with batiks because I was just lost. I was like, I don't know how to do batiks. And she reassured me, like she has in so many things in life, just take the ones you like and put them together and they work. And I'm like, oh, okay. And you know what? This one really shows you that. Look at these gorgeous fabrics.
So gorgeous. The colors in this are just rich and yummy.
And what's really cool is that this batik is like sort of like a stripe.
Yes, it definitely has that
Yeah.
movement that, like a stripe.
But the cool thing about this is that we're going to be doing strip piecing, so you're cutting your strips crosswise.
Yeah.
And so that means that when you put them into the block, they're going to go that way. So they go whoop.
So the stripe is kind of
Yeah.
like this, but it's very subtle. So
It's very subtle.
cool.
And there's
Very
nothing
cool.
to match up, and that just adds more interest and movement to the quilt. Gorgeous
fabric.
So this is going to go everywhere you see that wonderful stripe over here. And then we want that little high contrast with the number 2. And is that not pretty?
It is. It's kind of it's got this like mottled-y, like droplets of water, and I don't know, but it's in those beiges and light blues.
Yeah, and it's got that aqua in the background here. And real subtly, it has some of the other colors like you've got in this color. So this is going to go everywhere you see in the quilt here in that light section. And then to make it just gorgeous, we picked the same exact print, just in a different colorway. And with batiks, they are like a work of art. Everyone has a slight difference. But this is gorgeous, and it's going to go everywhere you see here.
And that teal color is just scrumptious. It is so good.
It is.
Now we put these fabrics in some of our other patterns. So we have Fun Times, which we have here on the table, which we know looks amazing.
But high rise, oh my goodness, is that not just stunning? It's stunning.
Well, what's interesting is high rise in the piecing already has a lot of movement, but the variation in color with these batiks just makes it look like someone took a paintbrush and painted this like it's a watercolor.
I was going to say it had a watercolory look, almost like it's raining and you're looking
incredible.
through windows.
Yes.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. But then we have Courtyard.
Yeah.
And I like Courtyard because it actually kind of segregates the colors, but it keeps the balance. So the focus fabric is around that one block, and then the other alternate block really showcases the number 3 fabric.
I love it when we do this because it really proves that point that you can pick any of our patterns and they're going to look gorgeous with the fabric.
Absolutely.
So we've named this kit Express Yourself, and it's the Fun Times pattern from Easy Peasy.
We wanted to share some kits that you can get for a super great deal. These are all marked down, plus you will get another 15% off applied at checkout. Now this one is gorgeous. I love this fabric because the colors are so bold, and you know I'm a bold girl.
I love
like
the
that.
stripe in the
It
border.
is so
It's
good. It
gorgeous.
almost looks like a neon light.
Yeah.
You know, like
Awesome.
and it is so pretty. Now this kit is called Color Carousel, and it's in our streetcar pattern.
And this one, this is a great quilt. It's so pretty, and that blue, the blues and the greens work so well together. So your big block has that blues and greens, but then you get little pieces and parts in your secondary block.
And I really love it. I think the number 2 fabric is perfect for this because the 1 and 3 are so rich that that number 2 really helps that piecing.
Yeah,
pop.
really pop. Yeah, absolutely. This kit's called Calypso, and it's the Merry and Bright pattern.
Now this one is really fun. Byzantine door is a great pattern, especially if you're showcasing big prints like this one. This print has some beautiful peacocks on it with their plumes splayed out so that you can really see it. And the gold in the background is extraordinary. There's so much interest in these. This is gorgeous fabric.
It is.
It really is. And of course, it's highlighted with a dark black, which is just perfect. This kit is Royal Plumage, and it's our Byzantine door pattern from the Quick and Easy 3-yard quilts.
Now this quilt, I love this. I love how much movement is going on in this particular quilt. It just looks like layers and layers of little boxes.
Yep. And I love the colorway. The red, black, and white are so down my
And those are little candy canes.
so cute.
They're so cute. I love that. It's such an interesting texture the candy canes give this particular one.
Absolutely.
So this is this one's a hit. And the kit is called Candy Cane Corner, and it's the arcade pattern.
Now we have all of this and more on our website, fabriccafe.com.
And you'll want to make sure that you take advantage of these deals before they're gone. They're going to go fast. The sale runs from today until December the 29th.
If you would like to learn about some of our most recent patterns, then be sure to watch the video that pops up.
Happy shopping!